I'm so disappointed in you, Charlie Brown, that I don't even want to talk to you.
Guys, it's Coastbar 98, and there is a tornado warning for tornado watch for Dane County, which is where my county is. Pretty creepy, but who cares? But it's until 1 p.m. tomorrow. But I don't know. It's kind of weird. I don't really know. It's just another one of those things. It's a little late. For tornado happening. But you know, there's like kids out outside right now. It's still a pretty nice day out. But it's kind of creepy. There's gonna be a tornado. But well, thanks for watching this. I'll make another video sometime. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe.